Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today's episode, Computational Linguistics, the next leap in language AI, explores the latest breakthroughs in language understanding and artificial intelligence alignment. Featuring insights from 31 cutting-edge papers published on July 4, 2025, including our paper of the day, Alpay Algebra 4 by Kiliktis and colleagues, we will highlight advances in memory, multilinguality, and key trends shaping the future of computational linguistics. Imagine an AI assistant that not only remembers your preferences from last month, but adapts to your evolving interests, almost like a lifelong friend. Real-time fact-checking and transparent step-by-step reasoning are now within reach. Instant language switching, even for rare languages, is becoming possible. How close are researchers to making this vision a reality? The 31 newly published papers provide a roadmap to this future, revealing how digital assistants may soon learn, adapt, and communicate in profoundly human-like ways. Computational linguistics sits at the intersection of artificial intelligence, linguistics, computer science, statistics, and cognitive science. Its primary goal is to empower machines to understand, generate, and engage with human language. This field directly impacts daily life, from powering search engines and digital assistants to enabling translation and detecting misinformation. As research advances, computational linguistics becomes the foundation for building more human-like and trustworthy AI, shaping tomorrow's digital society. Consider computational linguistics as a bustling city where neighborhoods represent specialized research areas, memory, translation, dialogue systems, data curation, and more. The central question driving this field is, how can machines truly understand meaning and context? Like city planners, researchers balance established structures, such as grammar and logic, with innovative technologies, including deep learning and knowledge graphs. The city's landscape is dynamic, with yesterday's breakthroughs forming today's essential foundations, reflecting a constant interplay between tradition and innovation. The first major research theme is memory and knowledge management. Traditionally, language models have functioned with short-term memory, frequently forgetting past interactions. Recent work, such as MemOS by first author and collaborators, introduces dynamic, long-term memory capabilities. In these systems, AI treats memory as a continually expanding and adaptable resource, enabling lifelong learning and ongoing adaptation. Picture a bookshelf where facts and experiences are stored and rearranged as needed, allowing models to recall and update information efficiently. The second theme addresses reasoning and multi-step decision-making. Modern models are being designed to strategize their responses rather than merely reacting. Techniques like reasoning speed control, introduced by first author and colleagues, allow models to adjust their depth of analysis for each problem. This leads to faster, smarter AI without the need for constant retraining. Step-by-step problem solving, akin to planning moves in chess, enhances the ability of AI to address complex real-world queries with greater precision. A critical research focus is interpretability and alignment, ensuring that AI systems internalize human intent accurately. The question arises, how can one determine what a model truly knows? Alpay Algebra 4 by Kiliktis and collaborators leverages mathematical frameworks to align AI understanding with author intent. This is achieved through empathetic embeddings, which guide models and texts through an iterative process, almost like a dance, until shared meaning is reached. Such developments represent significant steps toward transparent and trustworthy AI. Recent findings are best illustrated through stories from ongoing research. MemOS equips AI with the ability to remember and adapt like a lifelong learner. Advanced reasoning models can modulate their thinking speed, moving quickly through simple problems and slowing down for more challenging ones. With Alpay Algebra 4, AI engages in an interactive back-and-forth process with texts to derive meaning. Techniques like TACOS and RefineX curate data with the precision of expert ingredient selection, while multi-agent frameworks enable teams of AIs to fact-check, explain, and verify information collaboratively. Focusing on the paper of the day, AlPy Algebra 4 by Kiliktas and colleagues addresses the challenge: how can AI systems truly understand complex texts? The paper proposes a conversation-like alignment between AI and the document, utilizing category theory to formalize a process for shared understanding. The innovative phi-infinity operator facilitates iterative convergence, enabling models to develop empathetic embeddings that encompass both literal meaning and the author's intent. Delving deeper into AlPy Algebra 4, the technical core relies on category theory, the mathematics of structure and relationships. The authors introduce a functorial system, a set of rules that allows AI and text to influence each other dynamically. The phi-infinity operator orchestrates potentially infinite alignment steps, guiding the process toward a unique fixed point. In this framework, the document itself is modeled as a node within a self-reflective semantic graph. This guarantees a stable, context-aware understanding that is both unique and robust against noise or changing contexts. The impact and motivation behind AlPy Algebra 4 are significant. This work bridges the gap between abstract mathematical theory and practical AI alignment. It establishes the groundwork for memory systems that are context-aware and capable of self-updating. By reducing miscommunication and interpretive drift, the framework enables AI decisions that are trustworthy, transparent, and empathetic. The motivation stems from the growing societal need for precise alignment as AI becomes increasingly embedded in daily life. Looking toward the future, dynamic memory and agentic frameworks are poised to define the next generation of language models. Real-time fact-checking and explainability will become standard features. Multilingual support will ensure that even the world's rarest languages are digitally represented. Transparent AI systems will not only predict outcomes, but also elucidate the underlying causes, explaining the entire storm, not just the forecast. Envision AI as a trusted colleague, capable of adapting and growing alongside its users. To conclude, today's exploration has traversed advances in memory, reasoning, alignment, and data quality within computational linguistics. Researchers such as Kiliktas and collaborators are driving the field forward, leveraging mathematical frameworks to craft empathetic, aligned AI systems. The story, however, is just beginning. Continued curiosity and engagement from listeners and practitioners alike can spark future breakthroughs. Participation in the ongoing conversation will help shape the next era of language technologies. This synthesis was created through a collaboration between human experts and advanced AI tools. Summaries and content were generated using GPT 4.1 by OpenAI, with TTS and image suggestions also powered by OpenAI technologies. All synthesized content has undergone human expert review for clarity and accuracy, though minor oversights may remain. Every referenced paper has been cited. By combining the speed of AI with human judgment, these insights aim to provide a reliable and comprehensive overview of the latest research. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI straight from the archive preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, complex research is simplified so you can stay ahead. Whether you are a developer, researcher, or technology enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses archive.org content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by archive.org.